Welcome to PA Timber Ghost. Very beautiful Sunday morning. Today we are at Sadsbury Woods Preserve. The day has come. We are going to hide my first coffee mug out along this trail. You can let me know in the comments if you got it or not. There will be more coffee mug hides on the way. All right, into the woods we go. Let's see what we can find. We're at a fork in the road. The purple is the one that has two water crossings. That's the longest. The shortest is the red, and we are going to follow the yellow trail. We were looking for a cool place to hide the coffee mug with the first channel sticker on it. I have given out a few to some of my coworkers and friends. It took me a long time to find the right background for my channel sticker. This is the compass quarry. You can tell by the large piles of rocks there. There are some stone walls out here and a few cellar holes from some type of a building. Here's another junction in the trail. The yellow trail is going to go to the left with the purple trail. And there's a blue trail down here. Let's take another look at the map. So here we are here. Right where that map is. Compass quarry. I am in search of an engine block. There's an engine block out here from a truck. And there's a cellar hole right behind it. That would be the spot that I'm looking for. Let's continue the search here, see if we can find it. It's very thick in here. You can see in this area a lot better in the wintertime when all the foliage is off. And here is the engine block that I was talking about. This looks like an old... I'm not an expert on engines, but I would probably say that's an old diesel engine. Or for one of the trucks. Lots of poison oak, lots of poison ivy. Where are we going to hide the coffee cup with the channel sticker? I'm going to put it right behind this big flat rock here. This looks like the perfect spot. Let's see. I can put the coffee cup in that crevice there. There's lots of poison ivy in here, so be very careful if you're allergic to poison ivy. Coffee cup number one. Here's my cool channel sticker. I'm in a reservoir in the back, PA Timber Ghost. Here's our red YouTube logo. I do have some more stickers. They will be coming next week. Let me know if you find a coffee cup. Just give me a comment. And thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost. Hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow. There'll be more coffee cups in the future. Currently I have 6 that I am wanting to hide. Alright, let's go to our hiding spot here. Coffee cup number one. I'm going to push this back here with a stick. Be very careful if you find this coffee cup. Make sure there's no snakes hiding back here. I'm going to push this back in the hole right there. I'll throw some wood on top of that. Here we go. It's in there. Hopefully you can find that. Thanks for watching this short video. Give it a like. Hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow. And as always, thanks for watching PA Timber Ghost. We will see you on the next video.